In the world of construction, true craftsmanship reveals itself not through speed but through precision. The first video takes us to the heart of tiling, a job that may seem straightforward but demands an extraordinary level of skill and patience. Every tile must be measured, aligned, and placed with exact care. The craftsman smooths the mortar, checks every level, and presses each tile as though the smallest gap would ruin the harmony of the entire surface. It's not just about covering a wall or floor, it's about creating a seamless canvas, one piece at a time. The second video speaks to a shift in design trends. The rounded transitions between wall and floor, once a mark of careful finishing, are now seen by some as outdated. Yet when we watch the process, we see the dedication it takes to create such details. Cutting the edges, forming the arc, blending it so perfectly that light flows without interruption, it's a true blend of art and utility. The question posed is almost poetic. In a world that moves fast and values straight lines, is there still sweetness in something curved, something that takes time? These two stories together remind us that construction is not simply building, it's a dialogue between tradition and modernity, between what's trending and what's timeless. A skilled tiler doesn't just follow the latest styles, he understands the value of precision, the quiet pride of a job done right, and the satisfaction of seeing his work stand the test of time.